everyone, Ben Williams here from Old Tin Cup. Now I got some exciting news coming forward. We're going to be working with a company, more specifically a dealer of Hughes Blinds. So in the spirit of all that, we went around looking for some ammunition and stuff like that this morning and found these really good chairs. Now this is, I think, like the 6th one that we've bought or put together for our new tower blinds that we're going to be putting in them. This is the Mossy Oak Swivel Mesh Blind Chair. I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to assemble one of these, and then talk about some of the drawbacks and positives between that and, let's just say, like a average lawn chair that we used to run a lot of our blinds, but we're going to exclusively switch over to these swivel chairs because of a multitude of reasons. And I think the pros outweigh the cons with these style of chairs. Super quick and simple with this. I'm going to show you how quick, easy it goes together. Now there's a lot of other companies that have blind chairs. One of the big things with this one is how cost effective they are. Even at full price of $50, they were a good buy, but I was able to find them after season now at some local Walmarts and stores like that. I think I paid everywhere between $25 to $35 for these. So it comes in a 2-piece assembly. You have your seat section, and then you have your base section, and that's it. And so no tools required at all for this. The only thing I recommend is a X-Acto knife or something like that to be able to cut the material off. Very key right here is do not throw out your hardware that comes with these chairs, because that's how you put them together. And this one, I don't see the hardware falling off in the box. Well, isn't that awkward? This one, the hardware is taped to the bottom. Usually it's taped to the leg section, but usually I'll just take off the foam. What I really like about this is there's no tools required. You can do this out at camp, not having to worry about having some tools on you. Like we talked about, very cost effective for blind chairs. Some of these you can get upwards of $100, $150. Very, very economical buy, and a quality economic buy as well. So there are your 4 assembly screws. And actually my fiance is taping this while sitting in one that we've already assembled this afternoon. But super quick and easy. Like I said, I just like this to cut this off. Cut down on the work a little bit. What I really do like about these chairs too is they're all black. So you don't have to worry about having a camouflage or a different color. If you're having something looking in the blind at you, you can break that up really, really well with your normal like black that you might be wearing in a blind. So all you do is assemble the feet. It's 100% 360 rotation, so it doesn't matter which way the feet are orientated when you put it together. And then it's just real simple. Screw them in. All 4 of these. And I'll tighten these up a lot more. I usually put a pair of soft mouth channel locks on them and give them one last little snug down. And make sure it's all squared up, that way you're not cross-threading it in there. And that is the down and dirty assembly on these swivel blind chairs. Now, I want to make sure I touched on everything. So there is a lot of pluses to these. Like we said, the price already, the blackout. I like that it's not a shiny black material either. It's a very, very matte kind of color. And it's not your lawn chair. Super easy, accessible, and assemblable. It's very quiet. Full rotation 360 on it. No issues with that at all. You don't have any popping or cracking as you're moving in the chair, getting set up for your shot. It's really huge, and that's something that I think is going to separate this kind of a style chair versus your traditional lawn chair. Because you get into that traditional lawn chair in a blind, and it just, you start moving on it, and everything in that blind is going to be magnified and intensified, especially with a hard shell blind like the Hughes blinds. You're going to get a lot of that pop and crackle sitting up, and even especially when these get cold, you get a lot of really hard pops in these blinds. So let alone if your armrest slides, something like that. The only downside to these, I think, there are a few. I haven't put one of these in the field yet, so I can't speak to its durability, longevity. Has a 300-pound weight limit, but I think the seat is very, very good sized. You can get 2 of these in the nice Hughes Blinds, the Intimidators, I believe. It's not really packable to and from the blind. It's a little bit heavy and bulky compared to your lawn chair style. Doesn't have any arms, and if you're using it in a ground blind setup, it only has 2 leg adjustments on it. So other than that, I think they're a great chair. They're going to be in all of our blinds this year. Probably both the seats in them will be these. My dad's really particular to these guys, but I think we're going to convert them over to these. And I think for the money, they're a great buy. Got a lot of pluses, very few drawbacks, and I think they're a good blind chair. Real quick, easy to assemble, and I think they could be a good fit for you in one of your Hughes blinds. So if you're interested in ordering a Hughes blind as one of my clients or as a friend, viewer, whatever you want to call it, let me know. I can put you in touch with the local dealer out of Rochester, and we'll get you set right up in a nice Hughes blind and even get you a little bit off of your Hughes blind this year. So if you want any other videos, check out the rest on our channel. Want to see any topics featured, let us know, and I'll catch you all next time here in the field, in the garage, or in the office, wherever. See you.